Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today to share an organization project. What, you might ask? It is actually putting away my 2020 layouts. There are 243 of them. Yeah, they need to make it into albums, but in the meantime, I need to divide them up into which albums they're going to go in. I have currently 7 categories for my older son, my younger son, layouts that concern my husband or I, others like other family members that I might be giving the layouts to, or just other layouts that I don't know quite where to categorize them. I have a Christmas album for me. The kids, I include their layouts in their albums. I don't separate the Christmas out for them. I have a travel album that I don't think I'm going to have too much for. Older trips, I guess. And then family. Ones where I have all the family together, or I will be dividing all that up. Now let me spin you around as slow as I can. I have cleared off my table. Sorry, have new neighbors moving in. See the big truck outside. And I have put down little labels in different spots for the different sections that I'm going to divide into. So I will show the process of me just placing those out and show you what I've got. I'll show you a little bit of the process, and then I will show you what I have when I've finished everything. So give me a second to set the camera up. Okay, and just FYI, I do have everything categorized chronologically in my bins. So I'm just going to grab a handful at a time. And because they are chronological, I am putting them face down. These that I have that are from my husband, I need to divide out for his brothers as well, but I'll do that later. I just really want to get them into albums. As you can see, the layouts are all put away. The table is clear of everything except for the albums. And I do have them all labeled. And the ones that have the front pieces, they have been created as well. These two albums will go to my older son. Those two will go to my younger son. And then these four will go onto my shelves. I did not divide out the Christmas or my husband's layouts, well, with the exception of the retro. When I was going through here, and I don't know if this one will be a good indicator. Yeah, I just put the, let me tilt you down just a hair. I put the Christmas layouts in here, and then as you turn, I put everything in chronological order. So as you turn, there's the end of 2013 and the beginning of 2014, what I have done. Now there are a lot of gaps in here, and I'm okay with that. These will go on the shelves. I think the gaps that I have in my albums are filled by my children's albums. So when I'm dead and gone, if they want to divide these out, you know, one take one album, one take the next, whatever they want to do, they can feel free to do it after I'm gone. But anywho, so, and it ends on another, it starts with a Christmas and it ends on a Christmas. This is actually Christmas 2014 where this one ends. So there's a whole year in this album. But I can say, done, ready to go onto the shelf. And I will do that next. I will put those over to the side for my two sons, that they will be ready to go. And I am glad to have had that done. I enjoyed the process of putting everything into the albums and having everything sorted by date. That was very nice. When I do it a little at a time, I find that I have to always move stuff around. So this worked out great. Even though I did a lot of shuffling and a lot of moving, it went a lot quicker in the end to get it all done this way, in my mind's eye. Instead of spending a lot of time moving stuff around every month, doing it just once was kind of nice. So I'm not 100% certain I'll save up my layouts next year to do this process again, but who knows, I might. Anyway, so we'll see. This is another project done, another organization project done, and so I can put these away and feel really good. Anyway, you guys have a great afternoon or a great evening or a great morning. And I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.